Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Atmoko hair clippers. This is a wireless rechargeable hair clipper set, and this thing is awesome. Absolutely love it. Previously, I'd been using a standard, I believe it was a Raw, was a name brand, hair clippers with the cord that you have to plug in. And of course, they worked. I've been using them for years, but after using this one by Atmoko, never going back. These are great. What's so great about these? Let me tell you. First of all, just the fact that it is wireless rechargeable. Not having to deal with that cord getting in the way when you're cutting someone's hair or using it on yourself makes a world difference. So much better. And with this, you've got a nice size battery in there. Once you charge this up, you get about 5 hours of usage time. So depending on how many people's hair you're cutting, you may charge it once and not have to charge it again for several months. If you have a lot of kids and you're cutting all their hairs, maybe you're going to have to recharge it after a day of haircuts. But what's awesome, it's a plenty big enough battery that you'll be able to get through all your haircuts without having to worry about it, which is great. Besides that, I was surprised at how lightweight this is. I assumed that because it's got a battery built inside of it, to not have to have a cord, that means it's going to be heavier. Nope. It's actually much lighter than my old hair clipper set. And I love that. It makes it much easier for me to use when I'm cutting my spouse's hair, maneuvering it around. A lot easier because of how lightweight it is. Also, and you're going to hear this in the sample footage, very quiet. Much quieter than my old clippers as well. Of course, it makes noise. It would be impossible for it to not make any sound, but it's a lot less noise. It's a lot quieter than my old clippers, which I love. The blades are a carbon metal blade, high quality blade. They run at about 6,000 RPMs, so very fast to do a good job cutting. They also seem to cut smoother and more consistently than my old clippers, which I thought was awesome. Now, if all that wasn't enough, it does also have this really cool digital display here, so you can see exactly how much battery you have left. You're not left wondering, am I going to have enough battery? You can see exactly what your battery level is right there. It also recharges with a standard USB. So you plug the cord in, the other end is a USB, so you can plug that into any USB charger or into even a USB port on your computer and charge this up. So it makes for easy charging. And the kit comes with everything you need. It comes with the comb, it comes with the scissors, but most impressively, brilliant idea, it comes with the different length attachments as any pair of clippers does, but what makes these unique is that they're different colors. Yeah, they're different colors. So if you've used one of these kits, you know every time you go to cut hair, maybe you're looking for the number 2 and the number 3. Sometimes you can't find it because they're all black and you're looking through all of them trying to find it. Finally, you find it. With this, because they're different colors, you just know, oh, I use the orange, the red, and the blue. Those are my 3 lengths. Once you've determined what your lengths are, you never have to go digging for them again because you can easily spot the one that's orange or the one that's red. That was, I think, a brilliant idea to do it that way, and that's what they did. So that's great. Also, this blade itself has 4 different lengths, just without any attachments. The 4 different lengths that you can adjust with the attachments on or off, so you are able to adjust that as well. A nice little on-off button here, very easy to flip on and off, and very hard to do accidentally, which I love. You have to intend to do it. It does also have that cool hanging thing on the bottom, so if you want to hang it in your bathroom, you can. So very, very well designed, and as you can see, works really, really well when cutting hair. Very simple, very easy to use, great rechargeable battery, lightweight, low sound, cuts hair excellently. Just not any way that I can say too much about how much I love these clippers. It seems weird to get so excited about hair clippers, but when I find something that is a significant improvement over something I had before, I get excited. And these are far superior to the standard hair clippers that I've been using for years, and probably that you've been using for years. So if you're looking for a new pair of hair clippers, these by Atmoko are going to be hard to beat. I would highly recommend these. that's going to be it for this review. I will have a link to this product in the description to Amazon. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.